going to show you Hyppo VIP application form. How do you fill it up for getting the potential reward? Okay, so complete all tasks, submit base address, and done. So go through that link in order to come into your browser. I'm showing you, and here you will be found this link. You will find this uh, docs while you paste into here, and follow on them Twitter and interact with their pin post, do contribute, and do all sort of stuff that required to do. Okay, you could do it like this way, then do the post, and then click the view post. Okay, and click the here and copy the link. Now come into here, and you need to drop your EVM wallet, so go through your MetaMask and get the EVM wallet easily. Okay, so simple as that. Probably it makes sense to you how do you participate. So copy it and paste it into here, and your Twitter username that you followed, that you did interact with, just put your username in here. Okay, so I interact with Afim. Just let me see. Afim 913, Afim 903, Afim 903, and yes, I did. And write on sentence why you deserve well for better potential, or however you might to say. Okay, doesn't matter, that is. And copy that link, copied, I'll paste into here, and then submit. Bam, your application is done.